Hi and welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. Today we've got a full tutorial on knit two together through back loop, or k2tog TBL. Hi and welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here with Knitting Natter to help you learn to knit the easy way. Now, k2tog TBL is indeed knit two together through back loop. And what that means very simply is that we're decreasing, but we are creating an effect with our decreasing that just gives it a little bit of an extra touch and a bit more intention as well. Do keep watching until the end. I've got a free download for you that is going to help you find all of my demo videos, all of these jargon abbreviation videos right in one place. Do stick around for that. I'll let you know how you can get that at the end. Right now, let's go straight to the tutorial. When it comes to knitting two together through the back of the loop, it can be quite instinctive. When you knit two together, you're going into the front part of the stitch and you're going into two stitches at once. But when you're going through back loop, you're going into the back of the stitch and you knit into two stitches at once. So it can seem quite obvious, and it's not too obvious, you just have to do it. It is that simple. Through back of loop, and there you go. So let me just show you that again one more time. So the right hand needle goes into the back of those two stitches, into the back of the first loop, and then into the back of the second loop. And then you knit them. So the yarn goes around the needle and you put it through, if you can. Put it through like that. And what you're going to get is quite a tight decrease into the back of those two at once, because you're actually twisting the stitches as you knit them. This is the one problem I have with knitting two together through back of loop. You're getting a twisted stitch. So if I just show you here, knit two together as a mirror, knit two together doesn't actually twist the stitches, but k2tog TBL does. So if you're trying to create a mirror when you are decreasing, this one doesn't quite work. If it's in your pattern, it's probably there for a reason. So you want to have that effect. But if I was creating a mirror in my stitches, then I would use SSK instead. And the tutorial for that is up here. But yes, that is a k2tog TBL. You're simply putting the right hand needle into two stitches at once, but instead of into the front of the stitch like you do with k2tog, you're putting the needle into the back of the stitch. Okay, that's a lot easier than it sounds, isn't it? Do download this free PDF. It is just covered in links, and in a few weeks' time I will be upgrading it. So it will have all of the links from the last few months for all of the new jargon demo tutorials here from YouTube and over on my blog. I've lost count of how many jargon demos there are on that, but it will make it a lot easier for you. If it's right by your side when you're knitting, then you just have to click on the right link for whichever abbreviation you're getting stuck with, and it will send you over here. And do put in the comments as well if there are any more abbreviations that you're getting stuck with and you'd like me to help you with. I could quite simply do a tutorial here on YouTube. I do like to fill my list up with more jargon videos for you, because I know you appreciate them so much. Yep, so the link is in the description. Do sign up for that, and like I said, I'll send you it straight away in an email, and I will update it in a few weeks' time with all of the jargon demos from this year so far. Right, thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next week for purl two together through back loop, which is slightly more complicated, but I'm going to make it nice and easy for you. Bye for now. Happy knitting.